Hi Scorpio, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. A quick love check-in for you for the end of June. These are general energy readings, so will not resonate with all of you. So take what works for you and just leave the rest, okay? Dear God, Goddesses, Angels, Spirit Guides, please bless this reading for Scorpio and send us the message they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So, yes, Scorpio, I'm getting your July readings ready soon. So if you're a subscriber, thank you. And if you're not, maybe you can hit that subscribe button right now and join me for those as well. Also, even though I'm doing this for the end of June, time is fluid. This is the energy readings. You could be going through this right now, or will go through this in your immediate future maybe. So take what works for you. Spying on somebody, somebody is spying on somebody. There's a lot of spying, a lot of signs have got this as an overall energy. I think people are just sitting at home and browsing the net to see what the others are doing. So I'll be calling one person as person 1 and the other person 2. Scorpio, decide which one you're on, okay? So person 1 has made some kind of decision. They were in troubled waters earlier. One second. Person 2, Tower, okay? Justice. And the Knight of Cups in reverse. Outcome, Page of Wands in reverse. 4 of Wands and the 10 of Wands in reverse. Thank God. So dropping some burden. Okay, so the 6 of Swords. So person A was in a situation where things were not right. They were feeling troubled, they were feeling upset, and they made some kind of a decision to maybe move ahead and work on their life and achieve some level of success in their own life. One second. Yeah, things were not moving ahead in the relationship at all. Things were not moving ahead. There was no equal partnership here. And what's the 6 of Wands for them, Spirit? Yes, they let all the burden go, okay? They cried enough, they were sad for a long time, and they let all this go, and they are on their way, I think, to achieving something for themselves. They made some decision. 6 of Wands, Spirit? Yeah, they've let all that past hurt go. Okay, they've let all that past hurt go, all the conflict, all the fighting, they've let everything go. They've made a very victorious decision for themselves, I think, where they've totally made a decision that I'm not going to be involved in all this. I have been hurt enough, I have cried enough, and maybe, there was no movement here. There was no working together here, and I'm not going to work on this anymore. Yes, there was, like I said, there was no growth here, right? There was no fresh beginning here. And one person, I think, just made a decision to not go back to whatever was troubling or bothering them. This person B knows that they were the cause of this disruption, the Tower in reverse. They know that they are the ones who caused it in the first place. And yes, they're very embarrassed about it, okay? They're very embarrassed, sheepish, they feel they've been publicly humiliated by this person leaving. Now look at the difference in person 1 and person 2. Scorpio, I hope the person A is you, okay? This person is feeling victorious at having moved ahead in their own life after dropping all this. Person B, who caused this tower to fall, is feeling sheepish, embarrassed, and feeling publicly humiliated because they know that whatever they did in this relationship was not just. It was not an equal partnership. They did not do the right thing with person A. They are not very happy about this. They're not very happy about whatever has happened between the two of you, because person A, I think, has made it very clear to them that that no offer of love is going to be accepted anymore. They've made this decision already. You see, they've removed the blindfold from their eyes and they made a decision that I'm not accepting any love offer coming from your end. Let's have another card. Yes, because there was no balance. There was no balance. There was no equal give and take. It was a very rocky foundation that this relationship was built on. They have moved ahead to find security and happiness in their own life now. They are not looking at person B at all at the moment, I think. So let's see what's your outcome here. Page of Wands in reverse. So Page of Wands upright is, like a passionate new beginning, a creative new beginning, but it's in reverse right now. Yes, I think both have realized that it's not worth fighting for, maybe, and given up, not fighting for this relationship anymore. This probably was Four of Wands and the World. I don't think this chapter is really closed out yet, because I think you both have something in common. Maybe there is something which is holding you both together even now. It could be a marriage which has not yet been annulled. It could be children that you have together, business that you have together. Something is still there in your mix. Yes, it could be a family that you have, which didn't work out. Okay, but this chapter doesn't seem to have really closed out yet. But it is closing out, because the Ten of Wands is in reverse. So people are letting go of any expectation. Yes, thank God. Moving away from troubled waters to calmer times ahead. I think this was the first card for person A, yes. But where person A felt they could not move away from troubled waters, I think now this is the outcome. You will be able to put this heavy burden that you've been carrying, person A or maybe person B also, both of you are going to release all this unfinished business between the two of you and move ahead to newer, fresher beginnings. Yeah, because I don't think there's any love left here. There's at least person A has realized that there's no love left to give. Any word of advice for my Scorpios, Spirit? Any word of advice for my Scorpios? Yes, Scorpio, stop looking at the past now. Okay, stop looking at what you've lost and turn around. Maybe you'll find a better love waiting for you. There's no point being sad and thinking of whatever's gone. And maybe you've just been reminiscing so much about the past that you've been very unhappy you've been very unhappy with the way things turned out. So Spirit, can you give us some advice for them? Like, we know how they're feeling, but anything else which can give them some hope? Yes, Spirit says you have many, many options, okay? You have many options. You'll be spoiled for choice. You won't know which one to pick in the future. So stop looking behind, stop juggling, stop looking behind and then looking forward. Shut this chapter of your past and just, concentrate on the future now. Don't juggle. Don't be very discerning. Be very, very discerning, and have that sword of truth in your hand and look straight ahead. You are deserving, you are loved, and you are appreciated by many. So that was your message, Scorpio. I hope this worked for you. Join me for the July readings coming up soon, and do subscribe, like, share, and comment if this is working for you. Thank you. Love and light.